Good morning, everyone. My name is Leah Nascimento, and I am your Metro Atlanta realtor. Today is a beautiful, clear Saturday in Georgia, in Atlanta, and I'm here at the Woodstock Home Depot. Guys, I've been here many times. I had no idea this place was this busy on a Saturday morning. It's insane. I'm getting all kinds of weird stares, so let's keep this as a live video, okay? So I want to talk to you today about HVAC maintenance. Those are, if you're a homeowner, you know those are very expensive things to replace, and you want to keep them in tip-top condition. In order to do that, your best alternative is to go ahead and hire a company to come out every fall and spring and do a tune-up. They'll check the HVAC, they'll do any minor repairs that it needs, and it will be working great for years to come. Now, if your HVAC is older than 10 years old, you probably want to start saving to replace it because it may die on you at some point. However, if you do keep a maintenance plan where they're checking it every fall and spring, you may avoid that replacement for quite some time. All right, that's our tip from today. I want you to have the best house in the neighborhood. So subscribe, do the thumbs up. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram as Leah Nascimento and MGN Fine Homes, and reach out with questions anytime you need, okay? It's 843-267-4165, and I'll see you next time.